Testing. All right. I think sound is good. What is up, crypto? TikTok, YouTube. How's it going? I want to check on this coin before we get started on Bitcoin here in a second. Oh, I want to look at this coin really quick. ANDROT. It has had no volume recently, but I did buy it a while back. So I just want to see. Yeah, I think we had one buy today. The volume is 462. That's like nothing. But I just was curious what happened. So yeah, that looks like shit. But all right. Without further ado, let's look at Bitcoin and see what's going on with that. And yeah, I think Ethereum is trying to break that $3,000 mark. It looks like we kind of got rejected there. What did we get up to? 29.84. So we didn't even touch 3K on Ethereum. So that's not looking good. That's obviously major resistance here at 3K. Bitcoin right now at 42.6. We were above 43K. Got rejected there. So Bitcoin is probably going to go back down, unfortunately. So 42.5. If you can, I mean 42.5 is the support really. And you're basically right on it. If you go break that, I think you retest 40K. And with the wick the other day, or earlier today, I should say, we actually, went down to 40,700 or a little bit lower. I think if Bitcoin doesn't hold 42.5, you easily see $40,000. If you don't hold that, I think your next target's going to be 37K. If you don't hold that, then I'm looking at 29 to 30K would be the next target. So that's kind of what we're looking at. If Bitcoin doesn't hold 42.5, I think the China FUD was ridiculous. It was actually from a news event that happened over a month ago. So I do expect Bitcoin to bounce here at $40,000. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at short term. So we could go down a little bit, you know, and also it's the weekend coming up. So with this weekend, I think this is going to be a bearish weekend. But I think come Monday, we're going to go back up and probably be above $43,000 by Tuesday or Wednesday again. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. So I'm bearish over this weekend, but come next week, I think we're going to be back above 43K. Also, September's in crypto are usually bearish, so just keep that in mind, guys. They're usually not bullish. So right now, $40,000 is what you got to hold. Because I don't see us holding 42.5 right now because we're right on it, but we'll see if we do. If we can hold 42.5, our next target is going to be, what was the other target? 47K would be the next target to the upside. So if you guys want to see any coins, let me know. The Fear and Greed Index is at 33, so we are in fear right now. Yesterday it was at 27. I expect, obviously, when it resets here in about 15 minutes, it's probably going to be in the high 20s, low 30s, but I'm guessing it would be 27, 28, close to what it was yesterday. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. Ethereum, I right now I get 29.23. I'm looking at that to probably go down to probably 2,600 if Bitcoin goes back down to $40,000. Earlier today you went down to 2,700, so maybe you only go down to 2,600, but 2,600 is what I'm looking at for Ethereum if Bitcoin goes down to 40K. So that's kind of what we're looking at for crypto. Fear coin, another update on this coin because I'm still waiting for a buy on this coin. If we go to the daily chart on Fear coin, which you can buy Fear coin on Uniswap, that's where I would buy it when I'm ready. But it's still in a downtrend, so I'm not buying it. The low was, I think, 70 cents, 71 cents. And we didn't really get a strong bounce there. Obviously, Bitcoin's bearish, so I think 70 cents is probably not the bottom here on Fear coin, but I do like this project a lot. So when it does hit a bottom, I will be buying some, or when I think it hits a bottom, I will be buying some. I think now the market cap is probably around $5 million here on Fear coin. So this is an excellent gem, but obviously if it keeps going down, I'm not buying it. And if it keeps going down and goes to zero, then I won't buy it. But I don't think it goes down to 0 cents. I think you probably get a bounce here eventually. But let's see. Any questions? If not, that's my wrap. I want to do a pretty quick stream here, see what's going on in the markets, and I gotta go somewhere at 7, so that's why I did it a few minutes early today. But that's kind of what I'm thinking. I think it's gonna be a bearish weekend for Bitcoin. And with that being said, that's all I got. I'll see you guys on Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time.